Hello, my friend, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm so excited that you came back. I'm so glad. It means that there is something that we are doing that you love. So right on this channel, we provide information, education, information, and of course entertainment information, right, about stocks trading, forex trading, cryptocurrency trading and investing. We talk about personal finance, and of course, because I'm a minister of the gospel, I trade forex market for a living, and I mentor others to success in forex. So because I'm a minister of the gospel, also you have access to learn a lot about personal development and spirituality, right? On this channel, we also discuss business building strategies. So make sure you just go around the channel, pick what suits you best, and do me a favor if you have not subscribed. Okay, if you have not subscribed, smash that subscribe button right there. Subscribe to this channel, like this video, and do me a favor, smash on that bell button so that you will be notified when next we upload new video. Thank you so much. I will see you around.